Hey, my fellow humanoids. Let's just got a new mouse. I just wanted to test it out. If it if it helps, even the slightest. It's when I press the extra fast, it's definitely it's moving like nobody's business. But anyways, it has six functions, so I need to just disengage. Huh? Disengage? It's bloody fast. Shit. Oh, that's better. Special guns. Most better. What's that? Primary weapon, secondary. Maybe I should have like a mouse with. I have Alt F. Toggle auto turret targets. What that is. And this one, IR countermeasures on off. Guidance. And I have no buttons for radar. And yeah, but it was weaponry. There's no specific for missile. I have no suspension control either. Repair. UAV, flying orbit. Mine detonation. Rangefinder, crosshair lightning. Reload custom sight. What that is. Sight distance control. Is there something? And switch fuse mode. There's I bet I'm missing a bunch of things here. Anyways, I cannot fix all of my issues at once, so we're going to assign a button for that. That is goddamn mouse button 5. Okay. And close that. And I want instead of pressing C and C and specifying targets perhaps. I need to like watch a YouTube video how other people are doing it. Let's check here. Blah blah. And blah blah. Yes. Maybe we should just annoy somebody and have this one in. Oh my god. Which one was it? It was that one. Of course it was that one. We're not gonna spend 86,000 on a crew change just now. Okay, let's put on the oh very fast. Huh? Oh my god. Number 2. This is number 2. This is and now with working missiles, let's see if I am able to use them. Oh my god, I hate this map with a passion. I will just stay behind my body, this Strisswagen. This deflection of is just mad. poke my head out and I die. What the hell? I don't dare to. Look at that. I should also spend some money and looking like a shrubbery. Oh. I am F5 for
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 7. Zerschlagen.
okay, this is naughty fast.
Vorladungsgranate geladen.
What the God damn it. You know what? I really wanted that kill. You know, great kills. Anyways, I need to have a... What did I do with my cake? I had some the other last week. I baked some chocolate cake. And it's bloody good. Fortunate for me, I'm a better cook than I'm a gamer. Oh, I forgot to take this stupid thing off. And then one or two of these, or three. Then I will try to play maybe Enlisted, because I noticed that some of these fellas, they were very fast.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Can somebody just shoot that thing off me? Provoking fire. Okay, we are now committed. That's the bastard who shot at me. Oh, not shot at me. He brutally murdered me. Is that the Lukes? Lukes? I think so. Okay, it's more important to play the game than just rush and die. More important.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
Ziel beschädigt. Führung getroffen. Panzer. 11 Uhr. Nah.
Feindliches Kraftfeuer
Oh,
in unserem Sektor. Returning to the base.
Ziel getroffen.
oh.
Führung getroffen. Forschungsfähig.
Thank you.
Ziel getroffen. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 6. Stören.
Delta 6. Bestätige Koordinaten. Abgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Getroffen.
Heading to the base. Leading for landing.
Ziel ausgeschaltet.
Oh my God.
Fertig macht zum Motor an.
Fertig machen, Motor an.
Verstanden.
Okay. do you think? Right here. Okay. That is burning, huh? Aye. Should have been the gunner. So we are leveling that guy, but we are not going to take him out, are we?
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. We're winning.
Attention to the map.
Treibflügel geladen! Treibflügel geladen! Feuer! Feuer im Motorraum!
Where was he? Where is the bastard? He was hiding here. There he is. Huh? Yeah. Come on, come on. He's now some.
Artilleriestark Koordinaten! Bravo! 5! Stören!
Bravo! 5! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Fertig machen zum Motor an! Fertig machen zum Motor an!
Verstanden! Wir wurden getroffen! Ladeschütze aufgefallen! Ziel beschädigt! Prima aufgefallen!
You're bloody funny, huh?
Getroffen! Getroffen! Maschinengewehr! Einsatzbereit! Wir wurden getroffen!
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Wir wurden getroffen!
Yeah. Yeah, first game. But I think the mouse is a great success. It's was again. It's difficult.
We suffered a defeat.
It's difficult. Changes if I get place number 3. Then we really sucked. Also, perhaps before I go to bed, I want to make a I want to make a small intro, very small, 2-3 seconds. Pals fundamentals, factual and short, just like my games. So we just check our crew. Oh, not that. You can have a check. We got driver, gunner, commander, mission, ready communication. This one I have. Okay. Something like that. The part. No. Weasel 9. So if I just can manage to kill and 1, 2, 3, I have 3 or 4 with this one, then it will be good. Then I can get my winter camouflage. I'll just and 4 playing with realist and enlisted. I need to have that on my screen, taped across or something. Okay, we are. No matter what, I'm going C. Yeah.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Weiter Teil!
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
There's no stupid. He's got a toy marking on the. Okay.
Vorladung geladen!
Oh, need to range.
Vorladung geladen! Enemy forces have captured a zone.
What was the range? Do something like this.
Feuerbereitschaft!
Yeah.
Vorladungsgranate geladen!
Did you die or what?
Kraftfahrer, Rückwärtsmarsch!
I should have dragged them. Sorry for my absolute.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 800 Meter.
Incompetence. That was utter incompetence.
The enemy is winning.
Was that a shot?
Vorladung geladen!
Oh, yeah, that it was. Okay. Definitely need to. I need to. What do I need to? I need to be able to adjust my
060, 100 meters!
shot better and move my height reticle up. Are we waiting for somebody here? Where's the party?
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Okay. I trust my friend there, oil 11. Air! Jesus Christ, I never see those. Where? Oh, that stressed me out. Okay. My BMP is gone.
Attention to the map.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Attention to the map. Need cover.
It was like, yes. What do I got here?
We're ahead of the enemy.
Why don't I have any? This.
To the map.
Why? Okay. Double fail. It's a long time since I played this one. What the hell happened there? Yes. Was that the Strisswagen? Did he kill the Strisswagen? Or is he still... I think he probably still hiding somewhere around there. I can't remember his.
Another zone captured.
Also.
We have the advantage.
Okay, are you? He's dead now. He's dead. He did. Don't believe you. There's no air here. But they are just turret. Scared the shit out of me for
080. 300 meters.
God damn it.
Thanks.
Defend the B point.
There it is.
Vorladung geladen.
Just standing there.
Ausgezeichnete Arbeit, Kameraden. Jetzt können wir den Sack zumachen.
Etwas zu machen. Okay. Number 15, but you know what? I take it. Okay, we need 23,000 to that guy. Let's just look at my customizations here. Oh, off with you. That was standard brown. That we can put on next December. Oh, this is gonna be good with winter camouflage. Yes. Should we take one last game here? Yeah, or should I also play one of these one day to valid for one day? So I need to start this tomorrow. More cake.
Aufdeckern! Los! Los, los!
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit. Ladeschütze bereit.
And we got one of those. I'm special. Rushing isn't that important. Staying alive is. Need to reaffirm my what does it say? Oh my god, he has a bad ping then, huh?
We're controlling most of the zones.
Look. Wasn't something there. Huh? I could have sworn I saw. It may be just the artifact.
Nebelgranate laden.
Nebelgranate geladen.
The victory is near.
Vorladungsgranate laden.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Vorladung geladen.
Of course.
Vorladung geladen. Wir wurden getroffen.
Feuerbereitschaft.
Ziel beschädigt. Getriebe ausgefallen. Eine Kette ist runter. Ziel getroffen. Wir wurden getroffen. Es brennt. Getroffen.
Artilleriestark auf Koordinaten. Charlie 3. Sturm.
Charlie! 3! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Wir wurden getroffen. Richtschütze bewusstlos. Maschinengewehr einsatzbereit.
Okay. God damn it.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
He is clever. It's a long way to Tipperary. Oh my god. It's a long way to go. Let's just join the others.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
This is not looking too well. Let's do this mouse thingy. It's quick. And
Artilleriestark auf Koordinaten. Charlie 3. Zerschlagen.
Charlie!
this corner.
Thank you very much. Allied forces have captured a zone.
That's he's dead.
Thank you very much.
What the hell's happening here?
Vorladung geladen.
We have to. Somebody's just. We're just getting hammered, clubbered. Huh?
Attention to the designated grid square.
Now, where are you? I'm not going that way, that's for sure. He's hiding behind here.
The enemy is winning.
Wir wurden getroffen.
What the hell? Oh, he says just there. Yes.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
He's like, I was driving, what hell, I was driving here. He's like here. Why can't I,
Attention to the designated grid square.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 3. Zerschlagen.
Delta 3. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Wir haben getroffen!
of course.
Ein Winterziel ausgefallen! Ziel beschädigt!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Bastard. What's the time? 22:20. So I need to have like, let's say, I'll have a
Fertig machen zum
simple,
Motor an.
Starte Motor! Starte Motor!
oh yeah, what was I about to say? Yeah, a simple intro for the videos.
Thank you very much. The enemy is winning.
Yes.
We must counterattack.
He's just waiting at the corner here. Huh? And he's waiting at the other corner.
Aber bewusstlos!
Oh my god. Yes, no fucking chance in this game. Where is he shooting from? Oh, that's that guy. Ah.
Wir wurden getroffen! Motor brennt!
And we got the weasel. Well, might as well. Might as well. I'm not going to attack that. Just, once and die twice.
Protect the sea point. Roger that.
Oh my god, no. No fucking way. We will kill these fools.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie 3. Stören.
Charlie, 3. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Yes. This fire cannot be extinguished by fire extinguisher. No kidding. Well, I am not very. Well, this is got right around my skill level, but I'm not very fortunate. Huh? Oh. Let's take the next one here. What's the time? 22, 24. So we're going to take this one. Let's take this one. Just need to have a better grip on this. This mouse is a little bit strange. It's a little bit too long.
Aufsitzen. Und bereit machen für Feindkontakt.
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
Or, you know, or I'm too short. Probably that. Lifelong problem. Wider than high. Am I going to my death? Yeah, most likely. You are welcome to go and do that by yourself. I don't play with
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 6. Stören.
Echo, 6. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert.
is that him?
Enemy forces have captured the zone. Enemy
Can't
forces
really
have
see.
captured
Yeah, it was him.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Bastard. And we're gonna take this one. And we're gonna take an M48 afterwards, so we can. Oh my god! So we can have probably, hopefully, get a kill, so we can get that winter camouflage. $750 to that.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Kraftfahrer, rückwärts, Marsch.
And I need to how to adjust. That is my foremost important. Oh my god. Now
Verstanden.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
yeah, friendly fire.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning. Attention to the map! Attention to the map!
Lucky I didn't shoot you, buddy.
Attention to the designated grid square!
Artilleriestab auf Koordinaten! Charlie! Wieder ein!
Charlie! Bird! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefällt! Abgefeuert! We've captured most of the strategic zones. Artillerieschlag in eurem Sektor. Attention to the designated grid, sir.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Krieg. I didn't. That was a cool tank, anyways.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Yes.
Attack the V-point! Enemy forces have captured a zone.
They can be watching me from all over. What I, because I'm just rushing now. And my major, how to say, isn't a punishment doing I almost said a war crime or blue on blue. Oh, he, that Ares guy.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 1. Niederhalten.
Delta 1. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert. We have most of the zones.
Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, Marsch.
Verstanden. Vorwärts Marsch.
That fucking guy. There's somebody here. Can you hear him? Please, man.
Verstanden. Vorwärts.
Most of the strategic zones are captured. The enemy is winning. We must counterattack.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Zerschlagen.
Delta 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert. Erste Aufschläge in Kürze.
Ziel zerstört. Wir wurden getroffen. Linke Flanke beschädigt.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Come on.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
It's like right there, man. They killed him. Maybe I want to...
Kämpfer repariert.
Yes, he killed that.
Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, Marsch.
Verstanden.
So... You know me. I'm gonna get myself killed. I'm gonna march to that direction. And I'm going to see him. And I'm gonna shoot him through the side. Nice plan, huh? Or...
Wir wurden getroffen.
Oh my god, that's the bastard. Yeah. What the hell? Everybody. I have this itsy bitsy AP armor piercing stupid gun thingy. Leopard.
Most of the zones
He's
are
in
under
Lucas Aswai. What was that?
Attention to the map!
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Stören.
Delta 4! Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert! Enemy forces can capture that zone. Attention to the designated grid zone.
Yeah.
Getroffen!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Unterwegs! Abgefeuert! Ziel beschädigt!
Heizspiegel geladen.
Ziel beschädigt! Wir wurden getroffen!
Heizspiegelgeschoss geladen.
What the hell was that?
Kampfauftrag erfüllt.
Minus 8,000. Okay. But I got the 89. And this one's almost finished. 6K. If it was like speaking like a teenager, like if it was as in arcade battles, I would just have gotten easy wincy. Save replay. Who was that shooting at me? Yes. Excellent. Some people watch my streams. That makes it a little bit more fun. If I have two or three great battles, I will have the looks as why. But I think I will just need to remove all this winter shit. This this festive stuff. Like that. Ah! Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Boom, 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 boom. I have... That was that one. And I need to have... which else was it? Was it... I think... This one. If I would... Oh, I'm sorry. That's wrong. No. I thought so. What about winter? Double Christmassy. Yeah. Leopard. Just checking for Christmas stuff. Yeah. That tramp stamp. Heard it here first. Probably this one also has oh, sorry. Customization. Standard winter? No. Bicolor? Yeah, there was that gnome there. Okay, so far so good. The Weasel. Hast du einen Gnome? Brown? Oh, I don't have brown. What the hell? Do I? Of course, yes. What the hell's wrong with you? Something like that. Was it here as well? Can't remember, you know. So goddamn old. Shall we try our luck again? We just put this on. Well, we are committed, aren't we? and suddenly it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Wifey mad. All hell will be loose, man. Hey, this is also a first. It's the same map as last time, huh? But
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Weit von klein!
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
Ladeschütze bereit.
let me follow my body. And with my brand new mouse, with mouse button 5, cannot fail, must not fail. See what we can do. This wonderful. Oh, don't stand there like an idiot. Oh my god. Now, stupid stuff like that gets me killed many times. Yeah, standing in the open. I don't know if you go hunting. I got a hunting license, and if the goose are never ever just standing there. Wait. While they see me, huh? Never. Only this fat goose does. Oh, the dogs. Anyway. We will try to work our way across cross here and yeah, meet them to the west. So just they don't have any clear view.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Okay, that was not good. Who's here? Who's that little? That's not a good position either.
Designated grid zone.
Oh my god, he's like right here. Okay. Can I see him? Is that him?
Attention to the map.
Vorladung geladen!
Yes, attention to that.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Delta! 3! Stören!
Oh god. Don't engage. No, I need to.
Dein Rechtsantrieb ausgefallen! Wieder ausgefallen!
To the designated grid square.
Rechte Kette beschädigt! Wir wurden getroffen!
Attention to the map.
Es brennt!
My god. Okay. Nicht gut. Ah, they got 16 points. We are getting clubbed. Hammered. Okay, okay. So then what?
Attention to the map.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 5. Zerschlagen.
Echo 5. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert. Attention to the designated grid square.
Okay.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Okay, okay. Situation is not under control, but and the most important goddamn fight is too far away. I should have
Attention to the designated grid square.
yes.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Where are you at? Oh my god, yes. He was just he was just waiting there. No kill. Okay. Now I'm just gonna run through here and see if I can manage to
Thank you very much.
if I can run through here. I guess I couldn't. It was straight ahead. Angry fridge. Okay, okay. Should I can't one. I don't want to use one of those on that. You know, I cannot see, I do not have a dual screen here. I need to have a dual screen, I think. One of those, yeah. One of these days I will get a dual screen. Now I got a brand new mouse, man. One cannot expect too much. Let's see if my crew has leveled a bit up. I'm most interested in this one, yeah. That's 35. Yeah, it's lacking so far. I need to play that tank and not die, of course. Oh, scheiße. Okay. There's so many aspects of this. 2254, oh my god. So if I should manage to make my intro for the tech videos, then I need to stop playing. And that's hard when you're winning like me. So, what are we going to do? The city maps.
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
The city maps. No, I'm terrible, but I'm even more terrible at city maps because. Even though I have been playing a realism new for what, a week, it's still not in my mindset. Still not the scouting aspect of it. Just hide behind these people. I was just wondering. Now I can do electronics if I should make myself dedicated keyboard for War Thunder. Yes, excellent. And the other thing I need to teach myself is also to do the elevation thing. Center crosshairs on the bastards. Yeah. Just trying my luck.
Forces have captured the zone.
Okay. Where is it from?
Stampede ausgefallen.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
5. Where is it? He's like far away, man. He's coming here. Binoculars.
Starte Motor.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Huh? Yeah, like he's like a
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
fitness.
Attention to the map.
That Finnish guy.
Attention to the map.
Oh, he's here. You know,
Attention to the designated grid zone.
the Finnish guy.
To the designated grid square.
Yeah.
Allied forces have captured a zone. Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Oh my god. He was just. I thought it was so careful. But I wasn't.
Attention to the map.
Most of the strategic zones are captured.
Not in the mood for playing PSETA at the moment.
Air 190. 100 meters.
Where are you? You tried to murder my buddy? There he is.
Our victory is near.
Vorladung geladen.
Okay.
Vorladung geladen.
Oh my god, this is gonna get me killed. I'm just gonna try to push.
Attention to the designated grid square. Attention to the designated grid zone. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 2. Stören.
Echo! Go! Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert!
Ziel getroffen!
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Nah! Vorladung geladen!
Feindliches Startfeuer!
Oh my god. What an utter bastard. Okay, there's at least 2 assists.
A little more effort and victory will be ours.
Okay. We are going to. He did. He big dead. So have the Vector with me, not against me. Is this going to be a win? Huh? Okay.
Vorwärts, Marsch!
Verstanden? Vorwärts Marsch!
Hell, isn't that is that a rock or what? What was I shoot? What was I shooting at? Yeah, my green buddy, he's the man. Okay, it's okay. Who's online here? That's Game Lord, and that's fine. It is. There's something, and wasn't there something about I needed to buy? I'll look at that. Yeah, 620k here, and oh. What the hell? What was I doing? I was researching that, yeah. 620k. Whoa. Well, what's the time? 23:06. Oh yes, maybe. Then I'm going to have. Oh, okay, a city map. What about a very large open map with hills and stuff? We will play this one. Boom, 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 boom. Captured the flag.
Aufblitzen! Los, los, los!
Klar machen zum Gefecht!
Kraftfahrer bereit! Lichtschütze bereit!
We have all kind of geniuses here. I will go with my niece in a clan or whatever team. So he must be good, huh? Tomato, tato. Again, rushing like a. You know what? I will have. Why am I standing there? Oh my god. Yes. Exactly my thought. I knew it. What are we going to choose? We're gonna play that one. If I can get 2 kills, that or 1 kill. That would be good. Oh, they hurt my body. tomato, potato. You can do it. Standing in the wide open just like me, that's surely no problem. Oh my god. Tomato, potato. We need to hide. And we have one of those, of course. Game wreckers. Home, I would just say home wreckers.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Yeah. Did he die? Tomato, potato. Oh my god. Yeah. I think that was that was it for me today. Oh, one has to when one feels the anger coming and winter, then one needs to leave. That's for sure. Well, I am gonna play what else called Enlisted now. I will just stop the stream